Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the secret cave in Classic Island on Fish It Roblox. So if you think you know everything about the original Classic Island in Fish It Roblox, you need to think again because there's a hidden cave tucked away that hold rare and unique catches. Here I'm going to show you how you can go to the cave. So once you're in the island, you can just go up here, turn left until you see this stairs right here. So you can just go up in here, then go to the right, go up like this, then go to this like waterfall like this, and you'll fall into this caves right here. Okay, so once you're here, you can just find the spot to fish and get the best catch-ins here, because I got my 3 rare fishes from here. You can just go to this spot right here, for example, then you can try your luck in here. So guys, that's how you can find the hidden cave in Classic Island. I hope you found this helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!